For 75 years, SRP has been shaping the future through American manufacturing, precision engineering, and custom solutions. We were built on hard work, high standards, and doing the job right. That hasn't changed. 3 generations, same standard. We've grown by staying focused, solving problems, and delivering the quality our customers expect. Built to spec, made to fit, from print to production. American manufacturing means precision, accountability, and pride in the work. After 75 years, that standard still drives everything we do. Today, the 3rd generation is carrying it forward with the same commitment to quality, responsiveness, and getting the job done right. SRP, shaping the future for 75 years.